amigo do pedal. Partiu então, Salesopóis, Pedra Rachada, Parque Pinheirinho, Cachoeira Pedra Branca, Cachoeira do Tobogã e Cachoeira da Paçoca. Pedalzinho tranquilo, suave, tudo asfalto, tudo plano, ponto de apoio, carro de apoio. Bora, cara, vai ser um pedalzinho bem tranquilo. Fechou? Partiu?
Demorou.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no.
Aê, legal, legal. Bora.
Every single day, I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Morango,
go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find it.
Aqui é a Lagoa Verde, Biritiba, Mirim.
Everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Ai, amor, você tá muito engraçado.
You see me smiling, but I'm stuck inside this mental prison that I try to hide. Analysis paralysis got me trapped. Scenarios that ain't even happened yet. I'm calculating every damn response while life keeps moving, but I'm sitting still.
Boa.
Overthinking shit that doesn't matter, but my brain won't shut up, never will. I need to pull myself back down, stop floating in this mess around. My thoughts are louder than the sound. Why can't I break the loop? Why break the loop? Why can't I
Aqui ele
break
tá assim,
the
calminho,
loop? All these cycles
porque
in my
ele tá
mind,
passando
leave
por uma
the
área plana.
chaos behind. Why can't I break the loop? Why can't I break the loop? Ground myself from what's real. This is all I can feel. You're talking to me, but I'm somewhere else. Lost in the labyrinth I built myself. Second guessing every move I make. My consciousness is wide awake. but disconnected from this moment here. I'm analyzing all my fucking fears, while you're right next to me, I'm miles away. Trapped inside my head, can't break away. I need to pull myself back down, stop floating in this mess around. My thoughts are louder than the sound. Why can't I break the loop? Why break the loop? Why can't I break the loop? All these cycles in my mind, leave the chaos behind. Why can't I break the loop? Why can't I break the loop? Find myself in what's real. This is all I can feel. This is all I can feel. Breathe in, breathe out, that's what it's about. Stop the mental noise. Why can't I break the loop? Why can't I break the loop? All these cycles in my mind, leave the chaos behind. Why can't I break the loop? Why can't I break the loop? Crown myself in what's real. This is all I can feel. I'm breaking free from my
E a
mind,
sua, como é que é?
leaving overthinking behind. I'm breaking free from my mind. This is all
Vá pra
I can
Cachoeira da
feel.
Paçoca, eles disseram. Vai ser legal, eles disseram. O que pode dar errado? É, cara, não sei não. Tamo aí.
Rede, um plástico de saco de lixo que ele catou. Ó, isso é vida. Isso aqui.
ayuda, mulher?
Uma hora, coitado, que ele foi me ajudar. Na boa intenção. Aí ele empurrou o pedal mesmo.
Chegando aqui na Pedra Cortada, tem que passar pelo guarda-parque, olha lá. Ele não parece muito amistoso. Sensacional isso aqui. Cume da Pedra Cortada, Salesopóis. Pedal legal, cara. E é lá que a gente vai depois, olha lá. Tá vendo a biruta?
Um oi aí lá. Até sem voz. E ali só tinha escola. Pedal legal. Batemos com? Você por ali? Ah, com certeza. Acho que foi o pedal mais rápido que eu já voltei.
Você falou que a gente fez em 1 hora, você falou que a gente ia fazer em 2. Ó, 1 hora e 2 que a gente saiu do mercado. Não valeu, não gravei. Vamos voltar lá e foi pra gravar.
Vem. Valeu, mano. Obrigadão.
Valeu pelo pedal, até o próximo 2016. Ela já falou. Por ano. Vou te abraçar porque você fez pra caralho.
Dá um abraço aqui, caramba. Uma boa semana. Valeu, pedal.
Já sabe, né?
Ficou
Segunda
muito bom.
depois do trampo.
Gostei. Já tô treinada já.
Meu Deus.
Pelo menos já treinei pra cá.
Eu achei que nós ia chegar aqui à noite.
Chega aqui à noite, vai estar se tirando.
Não, obrigado, amigão.